What's up, guys? It's Matthew. We're here with my 2006 Acura TL. What is it, an 08 or 07?
07.
We got an 07 Type S and an 07 Bronze over here. But today, take a look over here. We have the beautiful Type S spoiler here. Walk with me, walk with me. I have mine, which is OEM, but you know, it's a junkyard special. It's been through its dents and dings. It's time to replace it. And then we have Chase's here that has no spoiler. But I have a solution. So I personally think the rear quarter panel of these cars are the best. And shout out to Spoiler King. We'll show you what it looks like in the next clip. So you're probably thinking, why did I get one from Spoiler King? I'll tell you. So the one that I have on my TL is OEM. It came from a black TL at the junkyard for about 20 bucks. Now the person who owned the TL prior to it, they drilled this specific spoiler into the bumper, and really all you needed was 3M tape, so you have the humps from there. It's starting to rust and chip off. I've sanded and repainted the spoiler like twice, and I figured it's time to move on. On top of that, we have a 2020 ILX that also has a spoiler from Spoiler King. It looks immaculate, by the way, and I was very impressed with the quality and the fitment, so I figured why not get one for the TL. Step one, clean the car. So just finished the installation. I'm not gonna lie, it does not look that bad. Remember, it has to curve a little bit to fit the back. We messed up a little bit here on this portion. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this side curves in a little bit more, but it's not that noticeable. But it's not that bad. I really like it. Looks sick. So we're about to go for a drive, but just wanted to say that I highly recommend getting the spoiler from Spoiler King. Again, this is my second item from them, and personally, for the price, the fitment is pretty good too. You can't really beat it compared to paying like $300 to $400 for an OEM piece. Highly recommend it. Go ahead, hit that link down below.